This conference will now be recorded.
Fine, let us understand yesterday topic, the postings. So if it is a purchase order, then while doing purchase order invoice, we understood like cost of material invoiced account, cost of purchased material invoiced account data to vendor account credit, and then purchase expenditure for product 0. This is regular postings till now you have learned. But yesterday you came to know like during product receipt, if you want a temporary postings, then in the parameters, AP parameters, post product receipt in ledger checkbox. If you enable the checkbox, then temporary postings will be posted. It is cost of purchased material received account data to purchase accrual account credit. Okay, these two where you will map means in the item group. And purchase expenditure uninvoiced also 0, it will be posted internally. So at the time of product receipt, whatever it was posted, it will be reversed at the time of invoicing. So debit will be credited and credit will be debited, and actual postings will be updated. Remember, during product receipt, it will consider only material cost. It will not include charges, it will not include taxes. So what is this charges and taxes means? So taxes you understood last week. Charges means transportation charges, insurance charges. There are some extra charges to receive the material from vendor to here. Suppose you are running your business in Hyderabad, and your company, like you are receiving material from Mumbai or from Delhi, then there should be a transportation charges. Those charges also should be included in your transaction. So that is transportation charges. So that charges will not be included while doing product receipt. So while doing product receipt, it is only raw material cost, the material cost only. It will not include charges, it will not include taxes. So here it will be like that. While doing invoice, the whatever it was entered earlier, that will be reversed here, and during invoice it will include charges, it will include taxes, and everything will be included at the time of vendor invoice. Understood? Any doubt in this? Any questions here? So this all ledger accounts will be mapped in the item group. Only vendor, it will be mapped in the vendor posting profiles. It will be mapped. Okay, I will show you this one also in few minutes. You are going to learn. So item group, I have yesterday I have explained, I have shown. So let me recap. So let me close this one and let me open freshly. So where these ledger accounts means, it is in the inventory management. Even though it is a part of T&L, but you need to learn this one. It is your responsibility. Okay, even though it is a part of T&L, I mean to say item group is a part of T&L, and posting also it is T&L, but it is your responsibility. Functional consultant from finance functional consultant responsibility. So inventory management, setup, inventory item groups. So here you will find this is a technical error, because Microsoft will give you some technical error. So if you are attempting entry, like I mean to say examination, then technical consultant need to do some code changes, so that the practice Microsoft is validating the whatever you are, the way how you are doing. Okay, Fine. I'm selecting this second one. Then there is no error message. Look at this one. So here you will map it. Cost of material received, cost of material invoiced account, and purchase expenditure uninvoiced, purchase expenditure for product, and then purchase accrual account. Okay, here look and feel is different. Then if you want, you can click on posting button. Little bit different. Now if you go to the purchase order tab, you can see all this one. So during product receipt, cost of material, purchased material received account data to this account data to purchase accrual account credit, purchase accrual account credit, and then purchase expenditure uninvoiced, purchase expenditure uninvoiced, 0 will be posted. 0 will be posted. And at the time of invoice, cost of purchased material invoiced account data to cost of purchased material invoiced account data to vendor account credit. That vendor account means it is in accounts payable setup vendor posting profiles. Here it will be mapped. Okay, I will explain you these things. Vendor posting profile, that is this account, vendor posting profile. So cost of purchased material invoice account data to vendor posting profile. In the vendor posting profile, whatever it is there, that account is posted, vendor account credit. And then cost of purchase, next one is cost of purchase expenditure for product, 0 will be posted. So all accounts are in item group only except vendor posting profile. Only vendor posting profile will be mapped in the accounts payable parameter, accounts payable setup. In the accounts payable setup, you will find vendor posting profiles. Understood? Any confusion here? Can anyone unmute and speak like you are able to hear my voice at least?
Yeah, that purchase expenditure mapping is really required because it is having the net effect of 0 only, no?
Yes, definitely it is required. I will discuss with you that one. Maybe after next month only you will understand what exactly, but high level picture I will give you. Suppose at the time of product receipt, the exchange rate is different. If it is import material, at the time of purchase it is different price, and at the time of invoice there is a different price. Those differences will be captured in the purchase expenditure for product.
In purchase expenditure, you mean landed cost?
No, this is 0. Purchase expenditure for product, it is 0. Okay, this is actually cost of material only. Purchase means cost of material. Purchase material. This one only.
Then landed cost, are we adding to purchase cost or no?
So landed cost I will discuss with you next week.
Okay.
Next week you are going to learn. Okay. So clear one. So I have not explained about only one thing, cost purchase expenditure for product, why it is 0 is required. In detail we will discuss this one, and I will explain in detail, but I'm just giving you high level input, like what is the purpose of this one means at the time of product receipt you have entered some different price. I mean to say exchange rate. If it is import, exchange rate between Australian dollar versus INR, suppose, or US dollars versus INR is a different price, and at the time of invoice there is a different price. Those differences will be posted as purchase expenditure for product, but in detail I will discuss with you later, not now. It is too early to understand for you. I will discuss with you after some time. Same purchase expenditure uninvoiced also. This is 0 will be posted. And there is one more scenario, purchase returns. At the time of purchase returns, there is difference. So one is import exchange rates and one is purchase returns. At that time, this will be posted. So in detailed discussions will be definitely in the ending sessions, last sessions I will explain you. Okay, these two. Remaining all is clear except this this only except these two lines. Remaining all are clear or not? Okay, I hope it is clear. In the same manner, for sales order invoice, customer account data to revenue account credit, customer account data to revenue account credit. Suppose this is customer account is 400 is the sales price, 400 is the sales price, and the cost price is 250. Take the example keyboard or mouse. You are purchasing at the rate of 250. The cost price for this item is 250. That is cost of goods. Cost of goods 250. So inventory value will be decreased to 250. But you are selling at the rate of 400. So revenue is 400. So this is sales value. This is cost value. The difference between sales value and cost value is a profit to the organization. It will be calculated. So sales order invoice, all these accounts will be posted in the item group. It will be mapped in the item group. If you go here, sales order. So here you will find revenue account, cost of goods account, and inventory. It is cost of units invoiced. It is called cost of units invoiced. Actually, it is inventory issue. That is called cost of units invoiced. Okay, at the time of packing slip, if you want, you can post instead of this COG invoice, COG delivered. And cost of units invoiced here, cost of units delivered. These two accounts it is there. These are temporary postings. If you enable accounts receivable parameters, post packing slip in ledger. If you enable, this temporary postings will be posted. Once again, this is only material cost. It will not consider charges, it will not consider taxes, it will not consider all those things. At the time of invoice only, charges and taxes will be applicable. So during this packing slip, there is no impact on postings, like only it is material cost, not like a landed cost. I mean to say, charges and taxes will not be included at the time of packing slip. And whatever it was posted will be reversed at the time of invoice. Okay, all accounts are mapped in the item group. All accounts are mapped in the item group only. All accounts are mapped in the item group. Okay, except one customer account. So the customer account is, it is in the accounts receivable module. Accounts receivable module, setup, customer posting profiles. Customer posting profiles we need to map. Okay, so now customer posting profiles I need to explain you in detail. Just give me 1 minute. I will give you clear picture, like in few minutes you are going to understand clearly what is this customer posting profiles or vendor posting profiles. Okay, fine. Now, to understand about this customer posting profiles, I need to explain you one topic, ledger subledger concept. That is ERP concept. Let us understand. Give me a second. This is ERP concept. Not only Dynamics AX, any ERP, this is the same rule applicable. Same rule applicable for any ERP. Okay, suppose here there is a customer. One more customer. One more customer. One more customer. Like this, 200 customers are there. Now each customer balances, if it is showing in the trial balance as a 1-1 ledger account, then it will be hectic job. It will be hectic job because suppose 1000 customers data is there, all 1000 customers one by one it is showing in the trial balance. Let me show you. Let me go to trial balance, general ledger, collapse all, inquiries and reports, trial balance. If I am clicking on, suppose 2018, click on calculate balances, some date, whatever it is. So each account wise balances it is showing. Like there are around 500 transactions, 400 or 500 ledger accounts will be there. One by one, the balances it will be displaying in the trial balance. There are many transactions. Okay, fine. Now, if suppose customer A balance showing 1000, customer B balance 1000, like this, 2000 customers are there. Then it will show you in the trial balance 2000 lines. Agree? If it is showing like this 2000 lines, then trial balance will be confused a lot for every person. What I will do, these customers, I will make customer is linked to one customer group. Like 2 customer groups or 3 customer groups. The customer is linked to, one second. One customer group. This is another customer group. I have created, suppose this is Hyderabad customers. This is Chennai customers. One second. This is Hyderabad customer group. This is Chennai customer group. Like 4 groups or 5 groups I have created. Now I can map, while creating a customer, I can map, this is Hyderabad customer. This is Hyderabad customer. This is Chennai customer. And this is Hyderabad customer. And this is Chennai customer. And this is Chennai customer. So customers are classified into groups: Hyderabad customer group and Chennai customer group, and one more, suppose Bangalore customer group or something Mumbai customer group. I have classified into groups. Now group is mapped with one ledger account. I will create one ledger account here. 130,100 Hyderabad customers. That is accounts receivable Hyderabad. Accounts receivable Hyderabad. I have created like this. And here also I have created 130,100 10 something accounts receivable Chennai. So in the finance trial balance, it will show you only 3-4 ledger accounts for related to customer. Even though it is 200 customers are there, 2000 customers are there, 10,000 customers are there, no need. I can map a set of groups, and I will map these accounts. I will map this linkage. Then it will be easy. Understand? Here it will show you accounts receivable 130,100 domestic, all domestic balances it will show you here. And another one is suppose some other one, accounts receivable international, it will show you all the balances. So that all customer balances means I can combine these 3-4 and I can see what is the total customer balances rather than creating one by one customer balance. So if I want to see each customer wise balance, then I can go to customer account. I can go to the customer account, accounts receivable, customers, all customers. Let me go to the customer. Please wait. It is loading. So customer account you can select and you can see the balance from the individual customers. You can see the transactions, everything. This is called ledger subledger concept. The balance. So this customer is linked with customer group 10. This customer group is linked with the ledger account. Customer group is linked with the ledger account. It will post to that account. Customer is linked to the customer group. Customer group is linked to the ledger account. You can map this one so that whenever you are posting any single transaction, it will post to the customer account. It will post to the customer ledger account also. This is called ledger subledger concept. This is called ledger subledger concept. So is this available in only Dynamics AX? No. Only Dynamics F&O? No. It will be available in any ERP, any global ERP, whether it is SAP, whether it is a Dynamics AX, whether it is Tally, Wings, Focus, Oracle Apps, PeopleSoft. There are many ERPs in the market. For every ERP, this is the same concept will be there. This is called ledger subledger concept. Understood? Any questions here? Can anyone unmute and let me know? At least you are able to hear my voice.
It is clear, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, suppose I'm mapping like this. There are Hyderabad customers, there are like Chennai customers, or there are international customers, domestic customers. Fine. Now, I have received recently an interaction. Suppose I'm running my business about electronic items like laptops I'm selling. Recently, I got a contact. From Accenture. So in my my CEO or CFO of the company, in the trial balance, he want to see only for Accenture. Only for Accenture, I want to see the balances because Accenture is my specific customer. I'm receiving a lot of bulk orders and I'm getting a lot of profit only for specific customer. Yes, that is also possible. You can map customer to ledger account directly. One three zero 200. Suppose special customer. Some special customer you can create, and you can tag this customer to ledger account directly. Because I want to know the company wants to know special permission like the specific customer to this account. So of course, this customer is linked with the group also. Customer is linked with the group. Customer group is there. Customer group is there. But it will bypass that one. Even though customer group is there, it may be Hyderabad customer or whatever it may be, but it will post to this account directly. If you map in the customer posting profiles, I can map one specific customer to the ledger account directly. So the priority is first one. This is the top priority, priority 1. This is priority 2. System will verify whether directly customer is linked to the group any ledger account or not. In the customer posting profiles, whether the customer is having the account directly with one ledger account, then it will post to this account directly. If it is not exist, it will search for group. If groups also, suppose here customer group is 10, but customer group 10 there is no mapping, then it will search for all. So some customers some other customers, there is a group, to be frankly, there is a group, but suppose another group, example like suppose Mumbai customer group, but there is no ledger account map. Then system will verify, is there any mapping for all? Then there is no linkage between these two, then it will be posted to this account directly. there is one more customer group. This is suppose Nagpur customer group. For Nagpur customers, I have created one more group. Just an example I'm giving. For these two customer groups, customer is linked to the customer group, but there is no mapping in the customer posting profile. If it is not mapped to any customer group, automatically it will look for all mapping. Understood? So first one is table. First one is table. The priority table 1. Next one is group. Next one is all. So if you go to this inside, we have, whenever you are creating, click on new. First one is table mapping. First one is table. Next one is group. Next one is all. First one is table. Next one is group. Next one is all. So if you map table, it will show you the table means customer accounts. If you select group, then it will show you all specific groups, whatever it was there. If you select all, it will not allow you to select disable. You can select the summary account. So in the customer posting profiles, in general, 90% to 95%, 98%, group level mapping will be there. Group level mapping will be there in general. 90% scenarios, this group level. So majority customers or majority clients, they will map group level checkings. They will map group level transaction mapping. Very, very few, it will be mapped for specific customer, and some of them, it will be mapped to all. So as a best practice, you need to map each group wise. Here in the customers, there are groups. So where we can see customer groups, here in this setup, you will find customer groups. So customer group 10, 20, 30, 40, 80, 90, 100. There are different customer groups. Okay. While creating a customer, customer group is mandatory. Look at this one. So for each customer, there is a customer group. While creating a customer, customer group is mandatory. Must, you need to create. So it is creating. But customer group 80, it was not mapped any group, any account. Then it will search for all. It will search for all. Understood? Same procedure for vendor also. Accounts payable, setup, vendor posting profiles. So here postings. So one vendor group 40, it was mapped to the one account, summary account, and this one 50, one summary account, it will be posted. So if you post a vendor payment, suppose You are doing vendor payment, suppose. Can you please anyone tell me what is the postings? If it is a vendor payment, you are
Vendor
paying
account
money.
data to bank account.
Yes, vendor account data to bank account credit, cash or bank. If you are doing cash or bank, credit. So while in the system, it will post to vendor account and vendor summary account. Means it will post in 3 transactions. Vendor account will be updated and vendor summary account will be posted. Vendor summary account means the vendor posting, like whatever you have mapped this one, these two will be posted, and then cash or bank will be created. These two are part of ledger, means trial balance. This is sub ledger. This will not show in the general ledger module. This will not show in the general ledger module. If you want to see that one, you need to go to sub ledger module, that is accounts payable module. In the same manner, if it is a customer payment, then customer account, cash or bank account data to, we are receiving money, cash or bank account data to customer account credit. So while doing this one, it will post to 3 letters. One is like a customer summary account credit. So this will be ledger account, means 130 something, and this is ledger bank account. Here also it will post to the bank account and bank summary account. This bank summary account means 110110 summary account. This bank account means like USMF operations. This is customer account also. And here also the same, it will post to the vendor bank account and bank summary account. Okay, let me show you quickly so that you can understand this. Cash or bank, not cash, bank only. If it is a cash, it is a ledger account only. So I want to take only bank scenario. If it is a cash means it's a ledger account. So let me show you this once again. Last time, from last 1 month you are learning. Now it is little bit enhanced your knowledge. Okay, let me go to one transaction. Let me do it quickly and then let me explain you what it is. Okay, suppose I'm taking a duplicate. So let me go to accounts payable, vendors, payments, vendor payment journal. So I'm just opening this vendor master. Anything is fine, both sides same. So I'm doing vendor payment journal. Suppose click on new. Select the vendor payment journal. Go to lines. So till now, whatever you have learned, it is different, and now it is completely different. So today topic, please practice, and it is a simple one only, but knowledge purpose. You are practicing this one from many days, but you have not observed keenly like this. Am I right? Suppose I'm selecting the vendor account. Let me select one vendor account 100. Take the example Raghu Enterprises 1006 something. So if it is a vendor payment, our bank balance will be decreased. Suppose I'm entering $99. Okay, let me select the bank, USMF operations, and method of payment check. Okay, so now if it is check number is mandatory for this process, let me do generate payments. Click OK. So 802 number, check number is generating. Click OK. It will take 1 or 2 minutes time. First time, every time whenever you are doing this check generation process, once it is opened the application, first time it will take a minute. So in a client environment, it may be seconds, but it will take much time. First time. Second time, it will be processed very quickly. Let it be processed. So meanwhile, if you want to discuss with me, anyone, please unmute.
Yeah, while posting that vendor payment journal, when that journal batch number is automatically creating. No,
Sorry, come again. Come again.
while making a vendor payment journal, that journal batch number is automatically creating journal batch number.
Yeah. Okay.
So does it require to be configured by ourselves, or the system will create it automatically?
So you are talking about whenever you are clicking on vendor payment, the first screen, am I right?
Yeah, first screen.
Yeah. So that is configurable. I mean to say, you need to in the new company creation process, you will understand that journal batch number will be created in the automatically the regular process. It will create journal batch number. I will show you in a few minutes from where it is available. Okay. So that is one of the topic number sequence to understand.
Okay.
Yeah. So now it was generated. Let me post. Okay, now if you verify the voucher, so here it is posting to 200, 100 and 110, 110. 200,110 from where it is coming means this vendor Raghu Enterprises, vendor 1006 is linked with 1006 is linked with group 10. So that group 10 is any postings are there, nothing. This is vendor posting. Then it will search for all, whatever it is there, 200, 100, it will post to that account. $200, 100. So vendor is linked with vendor group. Vendor group is linked with ledger account. If it is 10 is mapped with any specific ledger account, that will be posted. Because 10 is not there in this, then it will search for all and will post. Usually 10 will be mapped with one ledger account in real-time scenario. Mapped with one. If it is not there and it will search for all, it will post. Now this is fine. So it is posted to 200,100. If you go to trial balance, if you go to trial balance, calculate balances. Now this one, it is 200,100,100,99. It will show you in the trial balance. 200,100. If you click on all transactions, 99 was posted. It is 99. This one. See, look at this one. It was posted 99. The same 99 is available in the vendors also. If you go to the vendor, this one, if you click on transactions, it will show you 99. So it was posted to vendor account and as well as vendor summary, both. Okay. The same manner, we have posted USM operations. It is posted to 110,110. Okay. If you go to trial balance, bank account. If you go to transactions, it will show you that 99. So bank summary account, it was posted. Now if you go to the bank also, it will be there. Cash and bank management, bank accounts. So USMF operations. Then if you click on transactions, it will show you 99 transactions. Understood? So bank account and vendor account, these two are subledgers, and vendor summary account and bank summary account is the ledger account. So all customers are subledgers. All vendors are subledgers. All banks are subledgers. All items are subledgers. All employees are subledgers. All fixed assets are subledgers. Understood the concept, ledger subledger concept? Any confusion? Any most important? So from Monday onwards, I'm not combining. Okay, I will let you know the date. Most probably in another couple of days, 2-3 days, it will be continuous, 7 to 8 only. So later I will let you know the combined session. At this point, it is not combining. Same individually like 6 to 7 trade elastic, 7 to 8 finance. In couple of days, 2-3 days, I will let you know exactly what is the date you need to combine. I'm combining. Okay, is it clear? This is called ERP concept. Whenever I'm providing training, I told you like the first one is one of the topic ledger subledger concept, like ERP concepts. ERP concepts. This is one of the ERP concepts. Any questions, please? So Monday I will discuss with you enterprise level data. Whether I have discussed this one or cross company data.
No, we didn't
Yeah. So fine. Monday I will discuss with. This is also one of the ERP concept. At 7 o'clock we'll discuss. Yeah. Any doubts? Any questions, please? So whatever you have learned today, it is not for the practice purpose because you are practicing this one from many days. But this is a new concept you have introduced, like for your mindset. New concept is introduced to your mind. So please go through my video recording session once again and try to understand the concept called ledger subledger concept. This is applicable for any ERP. It will be applicable for any ERP.
I think we have to cover that withholding tax subject.
So withholding tax we have discussed. So if anything pending, we will discuss on Monday.
That the configuration of a sales tax will be will be covered during the configuring the company level data, right?
So I will show you. Once again, I'll show you the company creation process. Okay. Withholding tax, it is small 2 steps only. I have shown you the 2 steps. There is nothing here in the withholding tax. Of course, if it is India, it is a different.
Okay.
If it is a standard application for across the globe, it is 2 steps. One is withholding tax code should be created and then groups created, and this sales tax group should be mapped in the vendor account. That's it. There is nothing here.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
Fine. Any more questions, please? If nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again on Monday morning, same time. So let me understand, let me make you understand about this enterprise level data or cross company data. One of the important topic before going to create a company process, you need to understand this topic, enterprise level data or cross company data. Okay, fine. See you all. Bye.